Have you ever accidentally deleted a file you really needed? Maybe an entire photo archive, an important video project, or documents you hadn't backed up yet? It happens more often than we'd like to admit. And most of the time it seems those files are lost forever. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through how. Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today I'm going to use Wondershare Recoverit to help you recover deleted, lost, or even corrupted files, photos, videos, documents, and more, across a wide range of devices. It's fast, intuitive, and surprisingly powerful. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what it can do. Recoverit. Recoverit by Wondershare is a powerful data recovery tool available for Windows and Mac OS. You can even try it for free to recover data from file storage devices. It supports recovery of various types of files, office documents, media files like photos and videos, Excel sheets, zip archives, and more. It works across various devices and consistently delivers impressive results. Let's move on to installing and uploading files into the program. As you can see, you get access to all available storage locations. In this case, there's an SD flash card, where I've accidentally deleted some files. But actually, it was my photo and video archive that I hadn't uploaded to YouTube yet. And since I've also emptied the recycle bin, I wouldn't be able to recover it without a specialized tool. Let's use Recoverit to scan the SD card. A deep scan is in progress, and the program shows an estimate of how long it'll take to complete. All I have to do now is wait. Once the scan is done, here are the results. 313 photos, 89 videos, 12 audio files, 496 documents, 366 other files. After the scan, you can choose which type of file you want to restore: photos, videos, audio, or pretty much anything else that didn't fall into one of those categories. In my case, the most important files are the photos. There are 313 of them, totaling around 491 megabytes. Let's recover all the photos from the SD card. The system will ask how and where the recovered files should be saved. Once that's set, we'll start the recovery process. Now the files are recovered, and we can even see their original names and formats. Let's try opening one of them. Here it is. It opens in high quality, just like the original. Honestly, I can't see any difference. Next, let's head back to the home page and use one specific function: Enhanced Recovery. For example, we can use it to recover only photos and videos. Recoverit also includes a repair function for corrupted photos and videos, which is super useful. You can even recover data from a crashed computer, NAS, or Linux systems. It's common for video files to get corrupted during file transfers or SD card operations. When that happens, the file won't open properly. In this case, we can use corrupted video repair in Recoverit. Let's try it now. I'll drag and drop the corrupted video from my SD card into the program. I'm hoping it works. And as you can see, the repair process is moving along quickly. Here's the result. File repaired successfully. Let's preview it. And yes, it works perfectly. Now I'll choose a name and location to save it. We're good now. The video I needed is fully restored and working. That's how Wondershare Recoverit works. It comes packed with useful features to help you never lose your important files again. Final thoughts. Let's wrap it up. Wondershare Recoverit truly stands out as a go-to solution for data recovery. Whether you've accidentally deleted files, formatted a drive, or encountered a corrupted video that just won't open, this software gives you a reliable way to bring those files back. The deep scan, enhanced recovery features, and file repair capabilities make it more than just a basic recovery tool. It's a complete data protection system. I've personally tested it on photo and video archives, and it handled everything smoothly, even restoring files I thought were gone for good. So if you work with sensitive files, create content, or just want a backup plan when things go wrong, Recoverit is definitely worth having on hand. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.